Hello everybody, this is Command Blockade here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clone structures in Minecraft 1.16 Java Edition. Let's go ahead and get started. Normally I'd be using something like the clone command to clone, but I'm going to be using structure blocks because in my opinion they're more user friendly and they have more options than the clone command. With that in mind, let's get started. In your chat menu, type in /give, your username or a chat selector, and then type in structure block. There's a second option with structure void. You don't need to worry about that for this tutorial. We're going over the basics of cloning stuff. Alright, so you want to find the exact corners of your structure. So I'm going to dig down a block like so, and place it down. Now on the innermost, topmost corner, the exact point right there, that's where an invisible line is going to be going through. So everything above this block and within the line of this little point here, that's going to get cloned, or saved rather. We're going to right click the structure block, and then we're going to go ahead and click a couple of times till you get corner. And then we're going to type in tutorial, like so. You could type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in tutorial. You can't do uppercase letters, by the way, but you can use numbers, so just so you know. So we're going to go ahead, hit done. The thing should look like this. And then we move on till we get the other corners done for the bottom. So we do the exact same process, making sure that you do the structure name. Also, another thing to note is if you go back in, you'll see Minecraft tutorial. That is perfectly normal. The prefix has just been added, as Minecraft will do this automatically. Now, we're just going to double check, make sure I got everything in parallel to this, which looks good. We're going to go over here and dig down again, place that down, and create another corner, like so. Then we're going to get the final one. It's pretty easy to do if you're cloning a short area, because you can see the other parts. And here we go. Alright, now we got to create 4 more corners, but for the top. So in this case, we got to do one above the leaves up here on this tree. And yeah, there we go. Like so. And it's got to be directly above that one. And pretty much all the others. There has to be a structure block directly above that. Now instead of using the topmost innermost corner, we're using the bottommost innermost corner for the structure, which is this point right here. So as long as nothing is above this point, you're fine. And the process is the exact same. You go ahead, you type in tutorial, like so, and there you have it. So we're just going to go ahead, do the same process. Tutorial. And you always want to make sure to check to see if there's any like spelling mistakes or anything like that. So going back and checking all of them if something goes wrong is a good way to identify any errors that you encounter. Oops, I accidentally just broke that. We'll fix that in a little bit. Alright, so now we have the 8 structure blocks all on the corners of this tree, like so. Now it's time for the fun stuff. We're going to hop down over here. We're going to go ahead, place a structure block wherever you want. We're going to right click it, and we're going to go to save. We're going to type in the structure name, which in this case is going to be tutorial, and then we're going to click detect. Once it says it successfully detected the tutorial, or the tutorial structure, everything should be good. You want to double check it, and I'm just going to go over one thing real quick that you might notice, is the little debug lines. This matches the debug screen when you have your coordinate, or the, what do you call it, crosshair set to the debug. Just to clarify, this one here, the green one, is obviously height-wise. It is your y-axis. This line here is your red line, which is the x-axis, and it runs east-west. And this was your north-south axis, which is the blue one, and also known as the z-axis. Alright, now that we've got that cleared up, we're going to go back to this structure block right here, the one that we detected it as. And now as you can see here, it's got all this stuff. And now we can go ahead and click save. If there are any entities within the structure, you can include them, but it's up to you. We're gonna hit the big save. Now it should say structure saved as Minecraft tutorial. That's good. Now you just need to go ahead and find a spot to place your new structure. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig a block into the ground, like so. I'm gonna go to load. We're gonna hit tutorial. And now here's the fun stuff. You can actually rotate this in pretty much any direction. So you can rotate it like 90 degrees from the original spot, 180, 270, whatever you want. You can even include the entities. Now we're gonna go ahead, hit load. It's going to show like a bounding preparation box just to make sure you got everything set. And you can change it if you want. Right now it's set to 90, and it'd be set going this way. If I did it 180, it'd be going like that. Or actually 180 done like that. You gotta remember to click done to just to verify it. Now we're just gonna go ahead. We're just gonna go with the default 0. Once you have all this set, hit load. And there you have it. You have just managed to clone your very own structure that you built. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you really enjoyed the video, give it a like as well. And other than that, I wish you all a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Bye!